This is the Govee Wi-Fi thermometer and hygrometer. It's model H5179. It's a smart temperature sensor. It has an app that comes along with it so that you can track the temperature and humidity from afar. If you hook this up to your Wi-Fi, you can track the humidity from wherever. It could be miles away. As long as this is hooked up to the Wi-Fi, you can track the temperature and humidity from anywhere. This hygrometer beats other hygrometers in the market for about $30 because this one can be calibrated to other professional scientific hygrometers so that you have the best results. Other hygrometers lack the ability to calibrate your device. So even though this might not have the best scientific hygrometer inside of it, you can calibrate it so that you're sure that whatever it's reading is accurate because you calibrated it yourself and you were able to verify it with other trusted hygrometer devices. The thing I like about this hygrometer is I can throw it anywhere and it's ready to go. I don't have to worry about damaging it or anything like that. You just throw it anywhere you want and it'll start to track the humidity. Now within the app, you'll be able to track the humidity and see the highs, the lows, and all the in-between that this device can produce. Track the temperature, humidity, all within the app so you can see large timelines over months, weeks, days, what have you. You can also connect to this device via Bluetooth, so it's Bluetooth ready, Wi-Fi ready, and it has its own app. I recommend this Govee hygrometer, especially because you can calibrate it to other professional devices so that you know your results are accurate. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a good day.